To improve slow performance on your Android phone, try the following steps. 1. Restart your device. A simple restart can clear out temporary files and close unnecessary background processes, giving your phone a fresh start. 2. Clear cache and app data. Cached data can build up over time, slowing down your phone. Go to Settings, then Storage, and clear the cached data. Alternatively, you can clear the cache of individual apps by going to Settings, then Apps, selecting the app, then Storage, and finally, Clear Cache. 3. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Remove apps you no longer need, especially those running in the background. Go to Settings, then Apps, and uninstall or disable any unused apps. Limit background processes. Too many apps running in the background can slow down your phone. Use developer options to limit background processes. Go to Settings, then About Phone. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Then go to Settings, Developer Options, and limit background processes by selecting Background Process Limit. Disable or remove bloatware. Many Android phones come with pre-installed apps you may not use. Go to Settings, then Apps, and either disable or uninstall them if possible. Free up storage. Lack of free storage can make your device slower. Delete old photos, videos, or files, or move them to cloud storage or an SD card. Check available storage by going to Settings, then Storage. 7. Update your software. Make sure your Android operating system and apps are up to date. Go to Settings, then Software Update to check for system updates and update apps via the Google Play Store. Use lighter versions of apps. Many apps have light versions that consume less resources. For example, Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, or Twitter Lite can help your phone run smoother. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, a factory reset can wipe your phone clean, restoring it to its original state. Make sure to back up your important data first. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset, and finally, Factory Data Reset. Check for malware or unwanted apps. Sometimes malicious apps or unnecessary background processes can slow your phone. Use a trusted antivirus app to scan for any threats and remove them. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your phone's performance.